Hello adventurers, my name is Little Marko, and today I will be your guide through the wonderful Predstavitev. I'm a mischievous, bright, and above all, curious little boy who loves to read history books, browse archives, look at old photos, and tell stories about everything he has heard from his grandpa Jozek, neighbor Stevek, or Auntie Mitza. Beltincev Castle was first described in 1532 in the diary of the Banfi family, with its origins believed to date back to the 13th century. The castle was surrounded by a defensive wall with 4 towers and a moat drawn from the Shurnet stream. In 1690 the walls were removed. Despite historicist additions, the manor retained its original closed castellated floor plan until the 18th century. Influenced by Baroquization in the 18th century, the castle took on the appearance of a typical Baroque manor. St. Ladislaus Church is among the most important architectural monuments of the late 19th century in Predstavitev. The predecessor of the Beltincev parish church, a wooden chapel dedicated to St. Ladislaus, is first mentioned in the visitation records of 1660. At that time, it was still under the jurisdiction of the Turneische parish. A century later, the then Beltincev feudal landlord, General Ladislav Abergeni, initiated the creation of a new parish, which was formally established only in 1760, though the church was already built at his expense in 1742. Izakovci is a village in the Moor region, with a Pannonian character, featuring houses built along the road and economic buildings at the back of the courtyard. The village is situated at an altitude of 179 meters, covers an area of over 8 square kilometers, and has approximately 800 residents. Directly by the river Mora is the tourist spot known as the Island of Love, which with its atmosphere and enchantment, attracts many visitors throughout the year. Over centuries it formed through the river's interactions with nature, and locals named it the Island of Love. Legend has it that it's a place for lovers, where many years ago, the Beltincev Countess Maria Zichi found her love. Doklajovi is a village in the Mura region, first mentioned in written sources in 1322. It lies directly along the Mura River, at an altitude of 184 meters. The area has approximately 900 residents. Historically, Doklajovi was part of the Turneische mother parish, but it became an independent parish in 1942. Amidst the mysticism of the Mura River and the intertwining love stories of the Island of Love, the local residents strive to preserve the cultural and technical heritage of the area. The traditions of wood rafting, ferrying, milling and flax processing on the Island of Love are still alive and integrated into the everyday lives of the people. In the Riverside House, there is a permanent exhibition titled Wood Rafting on the Mura River, where you can learn about the work of rafters and their relentless struggle with the once untamable Mura River. Beltincev is also a village in the Mora region, home to just over 800 residents. It is characterized by road axes that connect it with neighboring Izakovci and Bistrica, as well as with the municipal center, Beltincev. To the east of the village are swampy forests, while the west is dominated by fields. We cycled from the municipality of Beltincev to the neighboring municipality of Trenčovce in the Mora region. In the village of Gornja Bistrica, by the Mora River, there is a well-known tourist spot in private ownership, called Tinakov Brod. Dear fellow travelers, with a deep bow and a sincere handshake, I thank you for our time together, and hope that you will return, that you will visit us again when the opportunity arises.